Hello to anyone who is watching this video. Today I got both day 3 and day 4 because I don't really trade much. I trade like twice a day because of my 9 to 5. But I got 3 trades to show to you guys. First trade, I lost it because I was way too impatient. I entered for a buy here and I expected it to go up because we were in a uptrend. And when it was around this area, I really thought it was gonna go up already. So I did a buy and it actually took my stop loss right over here on this blue line. And then I waited for it to actually give me a confirmation that it was gonna go up. So I took a 1 to 3 buy and it actually took profit. And let me just tell you that it's so different than scalping, because when I was scalping, I usually close the my position around like 1 to 1.5, those kind of stuff. But this one is a 1 to 3 ratio, and I actually felt super good achieving this. And this was using a supply and demand, but also, as you can see here, that's where the supply is, because it was going downtrend and I was waiting for it to go either past it or just keep going down. If it kept going down, then I would have, of course, went with a sell and then targeted around this area or here. It's way too far, I think. But yeah, and then the next day came, which is March 11. There was a break of structure here because I always try to look for it in the higher time frames, right here. So there was another, would you call this a market shift? Because this went below what I expected to, so I thought it was gonna go down. But you can see here that it's not even a wick, so I really thought it would continue to a downtrend after it went past this demand zone right here. But instead it went back up and then went to a wonderful consolidation. So those are all the trades I took. I have 5 pairs that I'm looking at. I have gold right here. Absolutely nothing is happening. I have Euro and GBP, Great British Pound, sorry. And nothing is happening here as well. USD CAD, which is what I'm doing right now because of the trade war that's going on. We got Euro JPY. It's a very good pair when it's the Tokyo session and London session together. It's really volatile. And then the final one is NAS 100, just in case something happens around the 6:30 a.m. mark. But yeah, those are the 5 pairs I'm trading right now, and I think I can handle them pretty well. Currently, I am in the negatives, negative $163. I'm still trading 1 to 3 ratios. And yeah, that should be all for today. Alright, bye bye.